A spoken word's arrow swift shot from a bow. It can't be recalled, whate'er we may do. An arrow once shot off will never come back. At source, inundation alone can have check. An outlet once found, there is no stoppage for it. A world is then ruined through lack of quick wit. Act, consequence little dreamt of may produce the progenies far beyond our power to reduce. The work of one makers this universe all, our acts consequences to our accounts fall. Jack shoots off an arrow, directs it to Jill. The arrow poor Jill hits, straightway does her kill. If only it wound her for great length of time, it tortures, pains God's work wherever to climb. Should Jack at that moment expire from his fright, to plague her, Jill's wound would not cease, day or night. If from the effect of great pain, then she died. Remote causes Jack still of her misery. Account he must render for those pangs of hers, although they're God's acts, man to man them refers. And so propagation, seed sowing, and all effects of them operate, God so the call. A saint acquires powers most astounding from God. The flying bolt he can avert with a nod. The door can be shut between cause, consequence, and saint's reclamation by God's prescience. He makes sad unsaid from beginning to end. Hence, neither does skewer burn, rose to cold trend. From every mind that has knowledge of fact, remembrance effected is, though brains may be racked. Of this dost thou proof require, most worthily friend? The text read, what verse we annul or we mend? Again, they my warning made you to forget. By this is oblivion's great power for us set, to make us remember, forget, they power have. They have hearts subjugated o'er creation's wave. Whene'er dull forgetfulness blinds eyes of man, no act can he do, however wide his scan. Dost there, thou great saints, to make laughing stock, the words of the prophet give heed, silly block. Earth's lords have dominion o'er bodies of clay, enlightened saints rule hold o'er hearts, their own sway. All acts are fruits, doubtless, of experience, Man then is but pupil, all else mere pretense. I'd close now this subject, much more I might say. Prevented I am by the rules I obey. Remembrance, forgetfulness, both are of God. Support and aid too must depend on his nod. Of thoughts, God men's good and bad souls voids each night by millions, since this has seemed good in his sight. By day their hearts fill with their thoughts all again. Those oysters' hells he fills with rich pearls amain. He knows all the thoughts that here trouble our frames. This he that gives guidance to souls in their games. Thy talent, thy judgment unto thee are given, that means thou mayst have to redeem thy fallen leaven. To goldsmiths rich arts not by weaver possessed, by jocund veined here, there another's distressed. Though mind's frame and talents endowments are all, they seem to afford mere machines for his thrall. When sleep is departed, thoughts, talents return. Once foe comes back, has of war one more turn. With dawn, all our thoughts, all our talents awake, as erst, good or bad, ere repose we could take. So career pigeons, wherever they've been, return to their homes, quit the woodlands all green. We see thus that all things revert to their source. Parts ever must go shares in whole's intercourse. So soon as our bird heard that parrot's sad state, a shudder he gave, fainted, grew stiff as slate. The merchant, on seeing this, seized with dismay, himself dashed to earth, wished he'd been far away. His clothes rent in sorrow, his beard he plucked out, and moaned in distress, wetly sobbing throughout. My parrot, why, dearest, thus broken of heart? Dead art thou now, really, so fain to depart? Poor pet, darling bird, with thee hours I could talk. My sweetheart, my second self, loved was thy walk. Alas for poor Polly, where is now his sly chat? Alas, my companion, how shall I bear that?